Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo's Chocolate Brownie Parfait dessert, using all the ingredients that I've showed you how to make in different videos. We have some vanilla ice cream, we're going to make some chocolate sauce, chocolate brownies, some sliced strawberries, and top it off with some maraschino cherry. Ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is get our cream, melt it in the microwave until it is boiling, add our chocolate chips, mix them all in until it's a nice thick rich sauce. Now we're just going to cut our strawberries into quarters. You could sprinkle them with some sugar if you like, strawberry liqueur. Don't slice them because you want to be able to see some nice strawberry chunks. Okay, cream's been boiling. As you can see, it's really quite hot. In with our chocolate chips, mix them all around. That cream will melt those chocolate chips and make it a nice rich chocolatey sauce. If you need to, depending on how cold your chocolate chips are, just pop it back in the microwave just for a few seconds to make sure that it's well and truly melted. But I think you find if you've got equal quantities of chocolate and cream, that the boiling cream will actually melt those. So let that have a bit of a cream bath if you like. Okay, with the strawberries all chopped up, just put them to one side. You can see our chocolate and cream is combining really quite well. Leave it a little longer for the remaining little lumps of chocolate to well and truly dissolve or melt. And that's going to be our yummy, almost ganache-like chocolate sauce. Now, if you're having a dinner party, you can have all of these ingredients prepared ahead of time, and it'll make it a lot easier and quicker to serve at the last minute. Now, we've got homemade chocolate brownies here. You could use any chocolate brownie recipe that you like. You could use a bought one if you wanted to, but this is really quite rich. Now we're just going to cut this into little cubes, quite small cubes. Don't break it up. That's sort of the consistency that you're after. We've actually got a vegan chocolate brownie recipe on our YouTube channel. You might like to check that out. And what we're going to do is layer our chocolate brownies with our strawberry, with our ice cream, top it with our chocolate, our maraschino cherries. You could put a blob of cream on it if you like. But as I say, this could all be done ahead of time, leaving you free to spend time with your guests if you're having a dinner party. Chocolate, strawberry, homemade vanilla ice cream, and chocolate sauce. It's a match made in heaven. There you go. Are you ready? It's well and truly mixed up now. If you've made this ahead of time, you may need to just warm it a little bit so that you can have it a dollopal, is that a word? Consistency? Dollopal, it is now. Okay, assemble time. Put these in any order that you like, it doesn't really matter. Try and have some of your strawberries facing the outside of the glass, and use the prettiest glass that you can get your hands on. A couple of cubes of brownies now. Try and get them in the right glass. Now, a couple of dollops of our ice cream. This is just going to keep going layer upon layer until you have full glass. So we're just going to use this medium ice cream baller and try and drop it in the center. You don't want it to hit on the glass on the way down, because if it does, it's going to smear and not be as pretty. Place it, and obviously this is ready to serve straight away. A couple more strawberries, a couple more cubes of our cake. Push it down. Another scoop of ice cream on the top. Try and make that one pretty. There we go. Dollop of our chocolate sauce over the whole deal, which will sort of set as it hits that ice cream, so don't worry too much about that. And a maraschino cherry on the top. There you go. How quick and delicious is that? There you have it. Cheeky Richo's Chocolate Brownie Strawberry Parfait. I hope you enjoyed this little simple dessert idea. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheeky Richo channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos every week, and thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. Have a little taste, shall we? Grab some of our chocolate and our homemade ice cream. Yum yum. Next goes your brownie. Yum yum yum. With some ice cream. Oh, rich, creamy, gooey. Super naughty and delicious. Yum yum yum. Well, go on. Tell me that doesn't look outstanding. Thanks for watching.